Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be opening my Boxycharm Premium for the month of October, and I'm super excited about this box. It seemed like they had a lot more name brands in this box this month. So if you like makeup and beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. Okay, for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription that costs $25 a month for the base box, and this is the premium box. It's $35 a month. However, in November, it's getting ready to go up to $39.99. But for right now, I still believe it is $35. And this is my box that I got, and it is a little damaged, so that does make me a little bit concerned about the products inside. But one could only hope that everything is going to be fine. And even if it's not, I'm sure Boxycharm will fix it. Okay, and first impressions when opening. This is what it looks like when you open your box. It looks like the theme, the theme this month is Spellbound. Okay, and then it has the advertisements inside for their sales they're going to be having. And on the back, it's just a list of the products and the prices. Let's see. First thing I'm pulling out here is from Dew of the Gods, and it's Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. So I just ran out, or I just used my last pair of under eye masks. So it is exciting for me to get some more. It comes in like a 10. And it reminds me of those old school Band-Aid containers. Or you remember that bubble gum you used to be able to buy at the gas station that was in an old Band-Aid like container, and they were like Band-Aid strips? That's what it kind of reminds me of. But anyways, it's supposed to come with 10 sets. So that's actually not too bad. That's a decent amount of eye masks. I'm wondering how much this costs. Let's see. This is only $20. So that's a pretty reasonable price for under eye masks, especially for 10 of them. So it's like they're $2 a piece. So realistically, if you wanted to go out and purchase them again, it would be very easy to do so. So there is that. And the next thing I'm pulling out is from One Size Cosmetics, or from Patrick Star One Size Cosmetics, and it's the eyeshadow palette in Visionary, which I'm actually really wanted to get this, and I was super excited because I've actually put this palette in my cart several times at, I do believe, Sephora, and never actually purchased it. So the fact that I did get it inside of a beauty subscription is awesome to me. Now let's see what they put on here for the price of this. They put it as $42. That is correct for the regular price. It is valued at $42. However, they've been running a sale for a while now. I do believe at Sephora, where they've been like $22 for a palette. Either way, I'm still happy and excited to get it because that's $22 of my own money I didn't have to go out and spend. Ooh, and the outside packaging is a beautiful metallic pink. And let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, so the palette is not, the colors itself is not broken. However, the palette is a little wonky, as you can tell from the front here. Probably got smashed in transit. But the fact of the matter is that all of the shades in here look perfectly intact, which, so it doesn't really bother me at all that the packaging is a little bit damaged, because as long as the product itself is still fine, I'm okay with it. So let's get some swatches of this and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with some of the colors swatched here. And those are the colors. And I think that they swatched pretty well. They were a little bit powdery. However, the pigment was definitely there on it. And I think I can have a lot of fun with this palette. Just really always excited to try out new formulas and play in new palettes. So there's that one. Moving on. The next item is actually one of my choice items from 111 Skin, and it's an Antioxidant Energizing Essence. And this is valued at $100, which I find completely believable just because 111 Skin is more of an expensive skincare brand. And I actually think that's kind of low for them because I have a little jar of their cream and it's valued at like $280. So the fact that this is so much bigger and only being $100 makes me super excited to try it. And it is in very nice, elegant packaging. I have the like little fog glass. It's thicker, heavier feeling. Definitely feels like it should feel for costing $100. And it has a nice, soft, clean scent to it that I really enjoy. So here is that. Next up is from Tarte, and it's a Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. I have not been able to try this yet, and I do love Tarte. I feel like I would identify myself as a Tartelette. I do love their products, very much so, and I think that I will really enjoy this lip gloss. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like outside of the box. And this is valued at $19 for this lip gloss. Oh, absolutely love the applicator. These are like one of my favorite kinds of applicators for lip gloss, the really thick applicator like that. And actually, you know what? I'm just going to put some on. I have lip gloss on, but very beautiful. And I do feel the little tingle for the plumping aspect of that. And next up was my other choice item, and it's by LYS Beauty, and it's No Limits Matte Bronzer in the shade Motivate, which is for light skin tones. And I absolutely love the packaging. So it's the shape of a triangle, which already makes it unique from not being the normal standard circular shaped palette, but it's a rose gold, really shiny looking packaging, and I love shiny, sparkly anything. So here is what the color looks like inside for the bronzer. And a quick swatch of that on my skin. And the color is right here. So it's just a touch darker than my natural skin tone, which will help me with the contouring and where I bronze. That's just the type of shade I typically go for. And it does also seem to be a buildable coverage. So I could always build that up and get a deeper look if I wanted to. But super excited to be trying this out this week. For those of you who don't know, I do try out these products and do reviews on them on the following Monday. This will be for the next week because we're already towards the end of this week. So look out for those reviews. Oh, wait. That bronzer was valued at $18, which is also another affordable item, which is nice to see some of that in here as well. The Pericone MD Vitamin C Citrus Brightening Cleanser. And I do believe it was this or a hairstyling mousse that you could receive. And out of the two, I definitely wanted this facial cleanser. So I am excited about that. I do like skincare as well because it can be fun to play in. And it is sealed. So I'm just going to leave it that way. I do have a couple cleansers open right now. And I don't want to start the clock on this cleanser, but it's said to have a citrus smell and it also for brightening. This is valued at $35. So that is a more high-end face wash. I'm glad I didn't open it and start the clock on it because I wouldn't really be able to just go out and spend $35 on a face wash. Although this will probably last you a long time because you normally only need like just a little bit when you wash your face. Anyways, that's everything that I had inside of my box. I hope everyone enjoyed watching me unbox my goodies. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.